What's as spacious as a house? Built for adventure and the smartest choice for 2024. If you're thinking of a fifth wheel camper, you're halfway there, because they're not just any fifth wheeler. Today, we're checking out the only fifth wheel campers worth buying in 2024. Highly affordable and feature loaded, they'll make sure you stand out on the road and at the campsite. KZ Sportsman 231 RK. If it's just you and your partner hitting up the road every now and then, the Sportsman 231 RK will easily fit your lifestyle. This compact model packs a lot of features into a small footprint, making it easy to tow and maneuver. With a dry weight of just over half ton and a length of 24 feet, you can tow it super easily and expect to get it into any campsite. For your shut-eye, there's a queen bed. The galley is cleverly laid out in an L shape, with the sink conveniently placed. There's ample storage space in the overhead cabinets and drawers to keep your gear organized. The toilet is tucked away in a private closet, while the shower and sink are located in an open area. A curtain can be drawn for privacy, and there's a linen closet on the roadside for added convenience. $32,500 is the price tag it wears now. Coachman Chaparral Lite 235 RK. Looking for some more cheaper options? The Chaparral Lite 235 RK is another great choice. It's a stellar option for adventurers who crave versatility without sacrificing comfort, all while staying on the lighter side of the fifth wheel spectrum. With a length of just over 27 feet and a weight of 7,000 pounds, you won't need to upgrade your tow vehicle. Entering the fifth wheel, you're greeted by a kitchen that boasts everything from a stainless steel double basin sink to a big stove to a spacious refrigerator. The master suite has a queen bed with above cabinets and side wardrobes. It seems unexpectedly spacious since it uses every inch of space. Luxury off-grid life is enhanced by the bathroom's radius shower, porcelain foot flush toilet, and ample cupboard space for toiletries. In the living room, chill on the sofa by either looking through the large window or at the big TV. This whole setup can be yours for $38,000. 2024 Cruiser Essence E25 RK. Another great camper that was designed as a perfect getaway mode for a couple. The E25 RK features a front private bedroom with a pillow-top queen bed with underbed storage, so that you're always ready for a great camping experience with your partner. Longer camping trips are also not a problem, as there's an area dedicated to a washer and dryer, so you could have clean clothes throughout the trip. Freshen up each morning in the full bathroom with the upgraded shower surround. Then there's a fully equipped kitchen that features a 3-burner cooktop, a 4-door refrigerator, and an air fryer oven for quick and easy meals. The 42-inch booth dinette provides a comfortable place to eat meals, and the theater seating across from the overhead TV offers a relaxing spot to unwind. Prices start at $44,000. Well, that's about it for couples. Now let's look at something more family-friendly. Keystone Cougar Sport 2100 RK. If nimble and luxurious are your criteria, then the 2100 RK is what you need. This compact yet fully featured model offers a surprisingly spacious interior without sacrificing its mobility. With a dry weight of just 6,815 pounds and a length of 26.25 feet, the 2100 RK is easy to tow and can fit into most campsites. The private master bedroom in this unit allows you to get a nice night's sleep wherever you go. Within, you will find a queen-size bed, along with 2 wardrobes and nightstands. There's also a storage space up high. Finally, opposite the bed is a wardrobe, so you'll have even more room to store your clothes and other belongings. A 3-burner stove, a dual-basin sink, and a high-rise tap are all located in the rear kitchen, perfect for whipping up delicious meals. $45,000 is what you need to own this camper. Palomino Puma 295 BHSS. Still not family-friendly enough? Then how about the Puma 295 BHSS with a different design? This spacious and versatile option features 2 double-sized bunks in the private rear bunkhouse. These bunks can sleep up to 2 adults each, which makes it a great RV for kids, teens, and multi-family vacations. With a dry weight of 6,650 pounds and a length of 29 feet, the 295 BHSS is a bit larger than the 2100 RK. With plenty of room to sleep in the back bunkhouse and a convertible dinette/sofa in the middle, your family will be at ease. Pull out the slide-out when it's time to dine, and you can enjoy the amazing scenery out the window while you eat. Those who like to prepare their meals in the fresh air can use the outdoor kitchen grill to cook burgers and hot dogs. It's got the same $45,000 price tag as the 2100 RK. 2024 Keystone Cougar Sport 2700 BH. Boasting a 31-foot 10-inch long body with a dry weight of 7,390 pounds, this fifth-wheel camper offers a queen-size bed, built-in nightstands, storage cabinets, a closet, and even a shoe cubby in the primary bedroom. You can install a second air conditioner to the roof and hook up a TV to the room's wiring for even more convenience. Everywhere you look, you'll find reading lights, privacy blinds for the windows, AC power outlets, and USB ports. The spacious kitchen comes with a 3-burner stove and a dual-basin sink like the 21 RK, while offering a 4-person dinette for a comfortable and fun place to gather at mealtime. Of course, the price is a bit higher than its shorter version, at $50,000. Now for some mid-rangers, we have the Northwood Fox Mountain 235 RLS. When it comes to mid-size fifth-wheel campers, you just have to include a product from Northwood. Weighing in at a gross vehicle weight rating of 12,000 pounds, this 27-foot 10-inch long beast strikes the perfect balance between power and maneuverability. It's towable by most 3 or 4-ton trucks, which is a sweet spot for adventurers who want the freedom to roam without the burden of a massive diesel rig. Step in, and you're greeted by a spacious rear living layout with theater seating and a cozy dinette. The enormous panoramic windows offer stunning views from the beach or forest. Gourmet dinners can be expected on the furnished kitchen. In the bedroom, a queen bed awaits you for a nice sleep. Slide-out wardrobe and a full-functioning bathroom are also featured. Deals start from $55,000. Forest River Cardinal Red 23 RK. How important is it to have a good kitchen when you're camping? If the answer is quite a bit, then the Cardinal Red 23 RK was made for you specifically. One of the standout features of the 23 RK is the spacious kitchen. The kitchen features ample counter space, a 17-inch 2-in-1 oven range, an over-the-range microwave, a refrigerator, and a pantry for food storage. The living area features a sofa slide-out and an L-shaped dinette, providing plenty of seating for relaxing and dining. The private front bedroom features a king-size bed with a spacious full bathroom. You can also have a closet in the bedroom, but then you would have to compromise the washer/dryer, or vice versa. The camper also features a high-efficiency 35,000 BTU furnace, a 13,500 BTU ducted AC with second and third AC prep, and an on-demand tankless water heater. It will take a little over $64,000 to own one 23 RK. Now for something more expensive. We have the HR Open Range Roamer Light Duty 244 RLS. With an open concept model, you can find a dining table and 2 chairs within a slide just to the left of the entry door, as well as a center island with 2 bar-height seats for quick meals or gathering with friends. The island also features a sink for easy prep work and cleanup. Walking into the kitchen, you can see a 3-burner stove with oven, an above microwave, lots of drawers and cupboard space, a sizable pantry, and a good-sized refrigerator. Yes, there's a living area and a trifold sofa along the rear wall, from which you can easily view the 39-inch TV and fireplace. A queen bed with dual bedside nightstands will make you sleep perfect, plus a private bathroom with a shower, skylight, toilet, and vanity with sink is also featured. Its price is a bit on the higher side, about $71,000. That's it for today, everyone. Drop a like if one of your favorites made the list. Also, did we miss any good ones? Let us know down in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, and as always, thanks for watching.